Perth Hospital is spearheading the trial as part of a push to make WA a global hub for life-saving medical research.
Manufacturing it locally here in 4 states will make it cheaper but also quicker, delivering tailor-made cancer-killing T-cells direct to patients.
The state government has commissioned a new style birthing suite at Bentley Hospital in Perth's east. The health minister believes it will help draw midwives back into the profession.
This is not only the reopening of Bentley maternity services, this is a brand new model of care that has never been delivered in the public health system before.
Thugs on a motorbike sped up from behind and pushed him to the ground. He spoke exclusively to 7 News from Royal Perth Hospital.
Accumulation of these injuries can be life-threatening.
The WA Health Excellence Awards have recognised 13 remarkable people who've all gone above and beyond in their own ways. Among the winners is a humble specialist who was named the 7 News Health Hero.
She had a stroke in 2020 and was taken to Armidale Hospital where she met a health hero, Dr. Danish Mahmood.
We all work for the people and the patients.
This new treatment, the Cabenuva injection, prevents the virus from being transmitted. It's administered at Royal Perth Hospital through its jabs clinic after a successful trial.
It's made life more manageable, convenient.
An Israeli surgeon involved in the post-October 7 medical response is touring trauma units across Australia.
Saw things we never ever envisioned in our worst nightmares.
This can happen anywhere at any time. And it may not be even from acts of war. It's very important for us to realise that we should be prepared at all times.
As well as Royal Perth, Dr Perry has also toured other hospitals on the East Coast.
A national hypertension task force now set up to help stop the alarming rates. The goal to have a 70% control rate by 2030.
Jamie used voice command to call for help. The next day, he was flown to Royal Perth Hospital.
I could move my arms and I just started crying and I just asked the nurse and we just embraced each other. And we just held each other and cried, both of us.
The vulnerable people are the very young and the very old, and so really check in on those old people that are members of your family or that you know well, or neighbours, just to make sure that they've got an air-conditioned house and they're staying cool.
A vital maternity service for Perth mothers is expanding. The program supports the physical, emotional and cultural needs of each patient, meaning better results for mums and bubs.
Mort Bujari Maya, which in Noongar language means family pregnancy house, a safe and supportive space for mums-to-be.
The next day, my whole body was just aching with pain.
Instead of adventuring the country, she caught the next flight home, spending the night in hospital. She was diagnosed with dengue fever.
A brave Perth mum who lost her son in a tragic car accident in September is speaking out to try to prevent others from suffering the same fate. It's part of a program run by Royal Perth Hospital's State Trauma Unit, teaching young people about the implications of taking risks on the road.
What we want to do is have the students get a kind of real-life feel for the impact of major trauma.
The new respite centre will provide 24-hour medical care and wraparound support with hopes of diverting unwell, rough sleepers away from the already stretched health system.
We have many homeless people in our hospitals who don't need to be there, but they do need a place to recover.
It's a long-standing tradition at Royal Perth Hospital, medical staff going all out, decking the halls in Christmas cheer.
It's game on at Royal Perth Hospital as medical staff swap their scrubs for streamers in a battle of creativity.
5 serious crashes in the 5 days since Christmas.
The road toll is too much. Every death is too many.
CAR T-cell therapy is the new generation of cancer treatments which we use to potentially cure patients with otherwise incurable blood cancers.
I didn't look too far ahead, I just kept with the positives. I can have another couple of years maybe. But this Christmas, Mavis is cherishing the gift of life.